You looked at me and suddenly the night felt new. I was walking lost inside, quiet, simple little light. When your shadow touched the